Hi, Gary King from thepoweroftruth.com. So let's talk lying and your health. You know, lying and your physical being. How does it affect your physical being? Because it does. It absolutely affects your physical self. And every lie that you tell at some level affects your immune system. So as I travel around the world and speak in other countries, I ask questions all the time of audiences, part of doing research. One of the questions I've asked for the last 6 years is, raise your hand if you think that lying could cause cancer. Raise your hand if you think it could cause cancer. Now, the 6 years I've done this, at least 50% of the room raises their hand. And to my knowledge, and I do a tremendous amount of research, I've never seen an actual paper written stating this. So my assumption is that that's an intuitive response. And actually the response is closer to 70%. It's actually the same in young people as well, too. It's the same in young adults. They respond the same way. And it's not culture specific, it's not gender specific either, so it wouldn't matter if I was in Malaysia or Singapore or Australia, the response is the same. Now if you'd like to look at something really interesting, go onto Google and Google MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, an MRI machine, like you would have medical testing done. Google MRI and lying. Google that and see what you pull up. It's very interesting. Because in the last couple of years, there's a couple of companies producing non-medical MRI machines and using them as lie detectors. And so what happens is, if you get scanned by the MRI machine and you're lying, 4 to 5 parts of the human brain light up bright when you lie that do not light up when you tell the truth. So it actually affects the human brain. Now the studies haven't gone far enough to see where it actually goes from there. But let me give you a small piece of this. See, it's a medical fact that stress causes disease and sickness, and stress can be terminal. It is a fact that lying causes stress. So think about this. Think about it the next time you say, tell him I'm not here when the phone rings. Think about what it is you're doing to your immune system when you do that, because it does affect that. And if you doubt any of this, you can also go on Google and Google applied kinesiology, muscle testing, kinesiology. It's just a simple test. You can read about it on Google, and you can do this test on yourself or on other people, and you'll see exactly how lying affects the human body as far as the muscle structure goes in your body. And in a future clip, I'll actually show you some on-the-street tests I do with people, where I'll take 2 books sealed in an envelope, and I do kinesiology with people, and you'll get to witness the results. The results are profound. People don't even understand the result. It's so profound once they've taken part in it. So again, does lying affect your physical being? Absolutely it does. Maybe you'll think about that the next time you decide to tell an inconsequential lie. Because you see, there's no such thing as an inconsequential lie.